Have you ever walked into your kitchen only to be greeted by a mystery noise, a faint hum that suddenly turns into a gurgle or a click that leaves you wondering, what is that sound? Many household appliances make their presence known, but when your refrigerator starts making unfamiliar noises, it is natural to feel a little concerned. So where is that strange refrigerator sound coming from? That strange refrigerator sound is most often coming from its normal operational components, such as the compressor, condenser fan, evaporator fan, or the defrost system. These parts perform essential functions to keep your food cool, and each can produce distinct noises as they work. Understanding these common sounds can help you quickly determine if it is just a normal operation or something that needs attention. The core reason behind most refrigerator sounds is the constant cycle of cooling and defrosting. For instance, the compressor, which is the heart of your refrigerator, hums or vibrates as it circulates refrigerant. The condenser fan helps cool the compressor and coils, often making a gentle whirring sound. Inside, the evaporator fan circulates cold air, while the automatic defrost cycle melts frost from the evaporator coils, causing drips, hisses, or even cracking noises as ice melts and water drains away. These mechanisms are all part of an efficient cooling system. To pinpoint the source of a specific sound, start by listening closely to where it seems loudest. A buzzing or humming from the back bottom could indicate the compressor or condenser fan. A whirring sound inside the freezer compartment suggests the evaporator fan. Gurgling or dripping noises are typically from the defrost drain line, while clicking or popping could be the defrost timer or even the expansion and contraction of plastic components as temperatures change. You can gently pull the refrigerator away from the wall to better hear the rear components. Many modern refrigerators also include ice makers and water dispensers, which can add their own unique sound profile. A sudden loud thud could be ice dropping into the bin, or a brief hum might be the water valve opening and closing. Some models even feature adaptive defrost systems that learn your usage patterns, so their defrost cycles might vary in timing, leading to less predictable noises than older, timer-based systems. These innovations are designed to improve energy efficiency, but they can introduce new sounds into your kitchen symphony. By familiarizing yourself with the different sounds your refrigerator makes, you gain a helpful tool for appliance maintenance. Identifying the normal operational noises allows you to quickly recognize when something truly unusual is happening, enabling you to address potential issues early. This understanding helps ensure your refrigerator continues to run efficiently and keeps your food perfectly chilled without unnecessary worry.